Hello everyone, I'm Ben Coleman, your anchor host for the Florida Aviation Network, and we're here with you live and in the clear at Sentimental Journey 2023, and one of our first arrivals of a very interesting and unique aircraft. Here behind me is a J2, and the gentleman that just crawled out of that J2 is Mr. Mark Stewart. Mark, welcome.
Thanks, Ben. Nice to be here.
Mark, I understand you came up from basically Lancaster area.
Yep.
And you had a good swift tailwind, so your ground speed was?
65 knots.
Okay.
Now, you never have a ground speed in a J2. It's always a headwind. You know, ground speed is 50 miles an hour. I came up here at 65 knots, so that's a blessing, I'll tell you. It's rare.
But it gives you more chance to, well, the slower you go, the more real estate you're able to admire.
True.
But no, but actually 65 knots is pretty good for a J2.
Zinging.
And horsepower is?
37 horsepower.
Not 37 and a half,
no.
Not 36 and a half.
You need all 37, trust me.
Mark, you're pretty well plugged into the Sentimental Journey management core.
True.
You're the vice president.
True.
And you're not chairman of the board, but you're on the board.
Yes.
And you're responsible for anything that goes right. Anything that goes wrong is Cal Arter Sr., I think.
That's right. That's Cal's problem.
But
true.
But Mark, we're going to be walking around, and I wanted to take advantage before things get too busy here to just kind of introduce folks to Mark Stewart. And
good.
On the lower third, Obi Young is our technical director. He's putting Mark Stewart, owner, J2, and chairman, or not chairman, but on the board of directors for Sentimental Journey.
Very good.
I think we're going to have some good weather this week.
Let's hope so.
And even if it's bad weather, it's in a good location to have bad weather.
We'll have fun.
We'll get wet.
You betcha.
But Mark, thanks for spending a little bit of time with us. I'm going to take some video of your airplane here, if you don't mind.
Very good. Feel free, Ben.
Great. We might even get a chance to fly it this year.
Hey, now that would be really cool. We'll get some video of that.
Excellent. All right. Thank you, sir.
You bet.
All right. That's interview number 1 here, Sentimental Journey, and a beautiful aircraft in the back. And we're going to give you an opportunity to look around at it.